I think the biggest way UWM helped me was just it built my confidence a lot. So there was a lot of opportunities while I was here to put myself out there. I actually came in trying to study biology. It had always been my dream to work in healthcare, and I felt like biology was a good path. But I come to realize that I'm really scared of needles. I pivoted to biomedical engineering to keep that healthcare component in it, and once I was in it, it was just a great fit for me. I felt like all of our professors really want the best from you, so they made their doors really open for any help with classes as well as just conversations. I'm really proud of my time as a research assistant. So we studied the shoulder mechanics of people who are in wheelchairs. I was able to complete an entire research presentation for a symposium. Athletics was a huge part of my time here. It's been really inspiring for me just to be surrounded by successful women. It had always been my dream to play at the Division I level, so I reached that dream here. But the thing I'm most proud of is just truly the bonds that I've made here and the friendships that I have thanks to UWM. These are people who are going to be in my life forever, and I feel really grateful. After I graduate, I'm hoping to apply to physician assistant school. My plan is to specialize in women's health, and ideally my career would include both clinical work as a PA as well as research, and I'd like to specialize in trying to narrow the gap between men's health research and women's health research.